Got your Medicare and You 2026 book? Page 11 could save you thousands. If you're like most seniors, you probably received this thick handbook in the mail and set it aside. But here's what you need to know. Medicare sent this book to every single person on Medicare for a reason. It contains critical information that could dramatically impact your healthcare costs next year. And page 11? That's where the magic happens. It shows you a side-by-side comparison of original Medicare versus Medicare Advantage plans. This one page breaks down everything from provider choice to out-of-pocket limits to extra benefits like dental and vision. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Original Medicare has no annual limit on what you could pay out of pocket. Medicare Advantage plans do. That difference alone could save you thousands if you have a serious health issue. But here's the catch: you can't just switch anytime you want. The enrollment period ends December 7th, and then you're locked in for the entire year. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Go to MedicareSelfEnroll.com, enter your zip code to find the right plan for your area, and easily self-enroll. Your future self will thank you.